I'm making a delicious chicken, shrimp, and rice dish. And I'm beginning by putting 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil in a large pan. And then I whisk together 4 eggs and add that to the oil. And do not add any salt. The soy sauce that you'll be adding has a lot of salt, so you don't need any additional. And just cook these eggs until they're almost done. I did cook about 4 cups of rice already, and I've had that in the refrigerator chilling. If you have day-old rice, that's even better. So now that your eggs are cooked, you can go ahead and put in your 1 cup of frozen peas. Mix that, and then add in the 4 cups of pre-cooked rice. You're going to need a pretty large skillet for all of this. Add in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and about a tablespoon of yum yum sauce. Just continue mixing that until it's well mixed. And then you can add in about another tablespoon of yum yum sauce. Then your rice is done, and you can just go ahead and set that aside. Pour that into a large serving dish, and we'll get started with the chicken. In a skillet, I'm adding about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, and then 1 to 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast that I've cut into bite-sized pieces. Over that, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder. And while that chicken is frying, I'm putting about 1.5 cups of pre-cooked shrimp into a bowl, and I'm adding 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of ground cayenne pepper, mixing that well and setting that aside. And now that the chicken is fully cooked, I'm adding in 1 package, it's about 10 ounces of pre-sliced, pre-packaged zucchini, and I'll cook that for another probably 5 to 6 minutes. After that's cooked for a little bit, I'm adding in a little more garlic powder and onion powder. Then about 2 more tablespoons of soy sauce, mixing that thoroughly. And then I'm adding in a cup of bean sprouts, and this is just a can of La Choy bean sprouts. I'll mix that well. And add in the shrimp that I've had set aside. And I'll continue cooking that for about another 4 to 5 minutes. The shrimp is pre-cooked, so I'm just basically heating it up. Pour that over your bed of rice. Adding more yum yum sauce over each serving. Enjoy. And as always, thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next time.